Hey friends, welcome back. Today we are doing some of the last things on my nesting to-do list. We are organizing the new dresser with all the baby essentials, and we are also setting up the diaper station in the bathroom. Now it's finally time to sort the newborn clothing and essentials in this dresser and set up a simple system which needs to be easy to maintain for us once our baby arrives. So make yourself a cup of tea, get comfortable, and nest with me. In the third drawer, I'm placing baby blankets, swaddles, and burp cloths, and also the overflow of diapers. In the first drawer, I will contain the diapers, so they are easy to grab. You will see me try different ways of organizing just to see what can fit the best. We have some newborn diapers from different brands, and I want to try all of them to see which ones is the best for our baby. So I will, in this top drawer, keep different brands. So when the diaper station in the bathroom is empty, we can grab these diapers very easy. I also want to keep some of these from a different brand in the top drawer, so I'm trying to make it all fit. Here's some of the nursing pads that I will use. I will put them in the top drawer so they are easy to grab for me. And I think I will have her pajamas in the top drawer too. Let's move on to the clothes. I've already washed and pre-folded all the clothing, so now it's finally time to organize it in the dresser. I'm trying to keep things minimal by sorting it in categories and only keeping size 50 to 56, which is 0 to 3 months in this drawer. The larger clothing I will keep contained under our bed. I have used the KonMari method to fold, so I can stack it upright and see all the pieces at a glance. In this second drawer, I will have all her bodies in the left side, and then her hats in the middle. And on the right side, I will keep all her stockings, leggings, and pants. The other clothing of hers, like dresses, I will try to hang in my closet. And the pajamas go in the top drawer. Every time I organize, I try to organize in categories and also in colors. So it's easy for me to see which things will match each other. So from light to dark. And I'm trying to fit all her clothing that will not hang in this drawer, even though it's a little tight. Here I organize all her socks. I also stack them upright and use the KonMari method, so it's easy to see and easy to grab. And I have some hair clips and other hair accessories that I will also contain in this small container. So, when you organize a new dresser for the first time, there's a lot of reshuffling to fit everything. And that's it for all her clothing. And I will hang this onesie. So in the last drawer, I will just try to keep some other baby essentials and random stuff that we need to use. Maybe some extra toiletries. And also her burp cloths. So while I was organizing the dresser, my husband hung up the changing table in our bathroom. So now we can officially check that off our nesting to-do list. So now I can get the diaper changing essentials ready to go in the bathroom. Here I'm sorting all the different toiletries, lotion, shampoo, baby oil, and baby wash, and different powders and creams. In this last drawer, I will also store the bath toys and the extra toiletries. Everything has a simple spot, which really helps keeps the dresser calm and uncluttered. And these three containers will be in the diaper station. So I just need to take a few newborn diapers in one container, and then we have wet wipes in the second container. And the third container I will keep diaper cream and a few small items I want to keep easy to grab during the changes. I love how calm this feels now. Simple, organized, and ready for the next chapter of our life as parents. Thank you so much for spending this cozy nesting time with me. If you're also preparing for your baby, I hope this video gives you some ideas and a sense of peace during this season. Next week's video will be a 30-minute speed declutter of our entire home. After that, I'll be sharing my getting ready for birth video, where I'll be packing the hospital bags for me and for the baby. If you want to follow along, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the upcoming videos. The last big task is getting the crib. We still need to go and buy it, and then assemble it and make it cozy. My husband might take care of that off camera. So now the diaper changing area in the bathroom is all done, and the dresser is also completely organized, which makes me feel so good. Now we can check those two things off my to-do list. The play area for the living room can wait until our baby's a little older. A newborn won't need it right away, so I'm not stressing about that part just yet.